How to change the PHP memory limit in Cpanel. I am going to show you how you can easily change the PHP memory limit in Cpanel. Access your Cpanel account using your login credentials. The exact location may vary on the Cpanel theme and configuration. Look for a section related to PHP settings. Once you have located the PHP configuration options, find the settings for memory limit or PHP memory limit. You can typically adjust the memory limit by selecting from predefined value or by entering a custom value. Choose a memory limit that suits your requirements. For example, if you want to increase the memory limit to 256 MB, select or enter 256 M. After selecting or entering the desired memory limit, look for a Save or Apply button and click on it to save your changes. You can verify that the memory limit has been changed by creating a PHP script that outputs the current memory limit using the any_get function, or by checking the PHP information page in Cpanel. That is it. The PHP memory limit should now be updated according to your specifications. Keep in mind that changing PHP settings may require server resources and could potentially affect the performance of your website, so it is essential to adjust the memory limit appropriately based on your site's requirements. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.